Generate video thumbnails that get 10% CTR, proven method. In the thunderous coliseum of digital content, your thumbnail is your gladiator. It stands alone against the scrolling hordes, a single image tasked with a Herculean mission to stop the thumb, ignite the curiosity, and compel the click. For years, this was an arcane art, a guessing game of colors and expressions. But today, it has been transformed into a precise science. The goal of a 10% click-through rate, CTR, a metric where 1 in every 10 viewers clicks on your video, is not a fantasy. It is an achievable target, proven by data, and now, powerfully accelerated by artificial intelligence. This is your strategic guide to wielding these new tools to claim your victory. The old guard is dead. Why pretty pictures fail? First, we must dismantle a pervasive myth. A successful thumbnail is rarely the most aesthetically beautiful frame from your video. It is a psychological trigger. Think of your own scrolling behavior. You're not seeking art. You're seeking a solution, a story, or a shock of emotion. The algorithms of YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram are sophisticated prediction engines, and their primary fuel is viewer satisfaction, measured by CTR and retention. A 10% CTR signals to the algorithm that your video is a perfect match for its title and the viewer's intent. This triggers a cascade of promotion, pushing your content into recommended feeds and search results. The thumbnail is the linchpin. It must create a curiosity gap, the tension between what the viewer knows, the title and the image, and what they want to know. A random, albeit high-quality, screenshot fails because it lacks this engineered tension. The proven formula. Deconstructing the 10% CTR thumbnail. Before we introduce the AI Legion, you must understand the immutable principles of a high-converting thumbnail. AI is a tool, not a strategist. The strategy is human. 1. The human face, amplified. Our brains are hardwired to look at faces. A close-up of a person with a potent, authentic emotion, shock, joy, intense concentration, surprise, creates an immediate connection. The expression should be a direct response to the video's premise. Is it "I can't believe this worked," or "this mistake cost me everything"? The face tells that story before a single word is read. 2. Vibrant, high-contrast color. The digital scroll is a sea of muted tones. Your thumbnail must be a beacon. Use a vibrant color palette that pops against a neutral background. A primary red, electric blue, or sunny yellow used strategically on a key element, clothing, text, an object, acts as a visual stop sign. AI is exceptionally good at generating and suggesting these palettes. 3. Crisp, minimalist text. The why, the title does the what. The thumbnail text does the why. Use 1 to 3 words maximum. Think shocking result, easy fix, or free assets. The font must be bold, thick, and easily readable on a mobile screen. This text overlay provides the crucial context that bridges the image and the title. 4. A clear focal point. There should be one, and only one, hero in your thumbnail. Use compositional techniques like the rule of thirds and depth of field to guide the viewer's eye directly to the most important element, be it a face, a product, or a result. Clutter is the enemy of the click. The AI Arsenal, your co-pilot to 10% CTR. This is where the revolution begins. You are no longer just a designer. You are a creative director issuing commands to a team of superhuman AI artists and analysts. Here are the exact programs and how to use them in a new workflow. Phase 1. Ideation and concept art with generative AI. Your first stop is not a camera, but a prompt engineer's playground. Tool: Midjourney or DALL-E 3. Accessible via ChatGPT Plus or Microsoft Copilot. The how. You will generate your thumbnail concepts before you even film. This is a game changer. Instead of trying to capture the perfect moment, you create it virtually. 1. Prompt crafting. Be specific. Don't say "a person surprised." Say, "Photorealistic close-up of a young female tech expert with a shocked, open-mouthed expression, looking directly at the camera, holding a glowing smartphone." Vibrant neon blue background, cinematic lighting, sharp focus, high contrast, YouTube thumbnail style. 2. Iterate. Generate multiple variations. Change the emotion, the background color, the composition. Use these AI-generated images as your storyboard. They provide a visual blueprint that guarantees your final asset will be on strategy. Phase 2. The surgical creation and enhancement. Now, You take your selected AI concept or a photograph-based image and transform it into a professional thumbnail. Primary tool, Adobe Photoshop with its integrated Adobe Firefly AI. The how. This is where the magic happens. Firefly is built directly into Photoshop's workspace. 1. Generative fill. Is your background distracting? Use the lasso tool to select it and type vibrant solid red background or modern co-working space blur. Firefly will replace it flawlessly. 2. Object addition/removal. Need to add a key object? Select an area and prompt a glowing lock icon floating in front or a stack of $100 bills. Need to remove a microphone wire or an ugly logo? Select it and hit Generative Fill with no prompt. It will vanish. 3. Expansion. Is your image not the right aspect ratio for a YouTube thumbnail? 16:9. Use the crop tool to extend the canvas and let Generative Fill expand the background intelligently. Alternative tool. Canva with its AI image generator and magic edit tools. The process is similar to Photoshop, but in a more user-friendly, template-driven environment. It's excellent for creators who want speed and simplicity without sacrificing power. Phase 3. The data-driven final check. Before you hit upload, you must validate your creation. Tool. Thumbnail test websites like thumbnailtest.com or Poll the People. The how. Upload your final 2 to 3 thumbnail options to these platforms. They will run an A/B test with a sample audience, showing them quickly alongside other thumbnails to see which one grabs attention fastest. This provides a crucial, data-backed final vote before you commit. It's the ultimate insurance policy. The assembly line, your proven workflow. 1. Strategy. Define the core emotion and curiosity gap of your video. 2. AI concepting. Use Midjourney to generate 5 to 10 visual concepts based on your strategy. 3. Base asset. Either use the best AI image or photograph/film with the AI concept as your reference. 4. Surgical editing. Use Photoshop plus Firefly to perfect the background, add, remove objects, and adjust colors. 5. Text overlay. Add your minimal, bold, high-contrast text. 6. Validation. A/B test your top 2 choices on a thumbnail testing site. 7. Upload and analyze. Publish the winner and track your CTR in your YouTube Studio Analytics. Achieving a 10% CTR is no longer about luck or innate artistic talent. It is a repeatable process that marries timeless psychological principles with the brute force creative power of artificial intelligence. You are the general. These tools are your army. By commanding them with strategy and precision, you can consistently forge thumbnails that don't just exist in the arena. They dominate it. Now, go and generate your proof. If you found this video informative, please like and subscribe. It will really help this channel out. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more informative videos coming.